One of the most common thing in algebra is multiplication of bracket. So that's what we need to do here. We are not finding the value of the letter because we don't have equal sign. All we have to do is to multiply out and simplify. So I have 4x that is multiplied by the bracket. Therefore, I multiply by every value in that bracket. And then I have minus 3 that is multiplied by the second bracket. So again, multiply everything by everything. Now, when I'm looking at 4x multiplied by 5x, what I have, that is 4 multiplied by x, multiplied by 5, multiplied by x. Because don't forget, when there is no sign between letters and numbers, there is a multiplication sign. Now, the only thing I can do here is multiply 4 by 5, so that is 20. And then I can write x multiplied by x in a shorter version. That's all, which will be what? X to the power of 2. And then again, 4x multiplied by 4. So that is 4 multiplied by x multiplied by 4. So again, the only thing I can do here is to multiply 4 by 4. And 4 by 4 is 16. And then I'm saying that 16 will still be multiplied by x. And then we are doing the next one. Minus 3 multiplied by x. Nothing I can multiply here. I'm just saying it is minus 3 multiplied by x. Minus 3 multiplied by 2, well, I can put that in the calculator, press equal, and get that that is 6. Now, the only other thing I can do here is that I have 16 of x's and minus 3 of x's. So together I can say, therefore, 20x to the power of 2, that's it. Nothing can be done with that. But 16 minus 3, if we put that in the calculator and press equal, we get that that is 13x and then plus 6. And that's all what I can do. But we really need to do how to do the multiplication of a bracket, because we're going to do really loads of that between the junior cert and then leaving cert as well.